Welcome guys, in front of me I have video recorder Xblitz ParkView Ultra, and I'm going to show you how we can set up the G sensor. So at the first we have to click right here to enter the menu, click it one more time to get the more option. Right now we have to go right here for the G sensor, click OK, and here we can just turn it off like it's right now, but we can also set it up on the low, middle and also the high. So it depends on what you want to get, but I think the best option is just to set it up on the low, because this G sensor works really good on this option. So there's I think the best option for this video recorder. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.